We recently had the opportunity to tour the new camp Tab 320 Boondock Edition. Come along and check it out.
Along these roads we roam, we find adventure through traveling, camping, boondocking, and exploring.
How you doing? I'm Brent Smith. I'm here at Holiday World in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Today what we're taking a look at is the Tab 320S Boondock. This is the 2019 version, so with the Boondock Edition you get a couple extra things with it that's not on the regular 320S. You get the diamond plate front step here, and also the storage for your LP tank and your battery. And they also, this year, they moved the spare tire to the front. It used to be on a carrier on the back. With every tab and tag, you can get the acrylic windows, double pane windows on them, full opening on them, get a great airflow going through these things. Yeah, obviously you got your teardrop, everybody's familiar with that. And with the Boondock Edition, you get the black aluminum wheels and the higher off-road tires, and they also give you a little bit of an upgrade as far as the height of the coach from the ground as well. Got your carrier, your rack back here. There's a basket that can go on there as well. You have your pull handles, be able to move this thing around real easy. Here you got your connection for your 30 amp cord. This one does also come with the 8,000 BTU AC in it. Okay, coming inside with the 320S, you have your indoor kitchen. It's basically going to be your 4 cubic foot refrigerator, your 2-burner LP stove, and your sink. You got your sound system up here along with the DVD player, which goes, it's all wired into the TV. It's over here along the side. And you see you got your AC system here. You got your touch panel over here for your light controls and your temperature controls over here. In the S, you have your wet bath. You're gonna have your toilet and your shower all in one area. Inside, you still have good ceiling height, even though it's a lower coach. You're still gonna have good ceiling height. Where I'm 5'10", I can stand up. Your couch back here. Your table's fully adjustable, height, spin around. When you want to make it into a bed, lays down flat. You have the slats that go across here that actually stored underneath the bed there, and be able to make a complete bed out of it. So you actually get just about the same size as a queen size bed, a little bit shorter than a queen size bed. Good overhead cabinet space in it. Again, taking advantage of every nook and cranny inside this coach to maximize the amount of storage and stuff you have in it. With the Boondock package, you also get the cargo netting. You'll be able to get stuff in there, keep it in there from flying around on you. And again, overhead cabinets above the kitchen area, under storage cabinets as well. Holding tanks down to 320, looking at 19 gallons on your gray, 11 gallons on your fresh, and I believe it's 9 gallons on the black. You got your light switches, those are the rear lights that we saw out there, your front lights, and then you have your porch light and your ceiling light, all LED lighting in it. Really makes it great for dry camping. On your door, just like all your new camps and little guys, you have your retractable screen door. So again, that was the Tab 320S Boondock Edition. One of the things that's really great about these coaches and why they're so popular is the weight on them. They're only about 1,850 pounds total weight, dry weight on them. It makes them great for towable with small SUVs. So for example, like a Honda CRV, typically rated for about 3,000 pounds towing, can easily tow one of these coaches.
All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you're in the Las Cruces area, go ahead and check out Brent Smith. He's the one who sold us our little guy Max. A great dealer. He'll treat you right.